These videos are explain my project Windows application in C Sharp parking project. This is sign in page. It is a login page. Type your username password. If you have not created your account, go to sign in page. To sign up, click here. It's create your own account, register your details. Name, age, mobile number, mail ID, username and password. Then sign up. Successful created your account. Go to sign in page. Enter your new username and password. Then sign in. Have you forgotten username password? No problem. Go to forget password to click. Enter your registration mail. Type. Then next send OTP button to click. I can show, just wait. Next button click. Code sent successfully. Then verify a button. OTP successfully. Enter your username. Enter your new password to click submit. Okay. Submit. Valid user. Okay. Sign in. Valid user. This is your home page. A home page where you go to all pages are from this location. First, vehicle entry page. Click vehicle entry buttons. New vehicle or entry to store the details in this page. Customer number, customer name, date, vehicle type, vehicle number. Next, entry add. Back. To vehicle or exit the details. Vehicle exit button. The details of the vehicle should be added when it moves out. Gate number, date, vehicle number, vehicle type. Then submit. Next, back. Next, billing page. This is a billing page where user details and the vehicle details are added. Unless you want to see all the details, bill fetch button. Get it the details. In this, if your user want to view the details, search vehicle number, then get the customer details. If you want to delete the entry vehicle number, then delete the customer details. Bill receipt. Get the click print button. To save PDF store, then click PDF button. Next. Next. Next, employee page to click. This is employee page. It may come any employee can register details on this page. Name, age, designation, ID number, mobile number, blood group, gender, address to submit. Next, if any updates, to update buttons or employee fetching buttons. Click. If you any updates, delete, search, fetch and employee details, print and PDF to get. Okay. Next, if you this is feedback page for if customer feedback good or bad, store the customer details and feedback buttons. Customer name, customer mobile number, date, customer role, feedback to submit back. Parking booking. New customer can be pre-booking on this page. Customer name, mobile number, vehicle type, parking place. Parking place are allotted. Available is immediately allotted. This parking place not available. Waiting to type. To address to booking. Next. Parking maintenance. This page is if you any rework and any repair works and parking area details stored. Maintenance details, maintenance cost, add, back home. This is my website IP address to click to get the IP address. About page. About page are my parking lot, small video for animation video to play. How to parking just animation videos. Next, search map. This is map. If any location or direction are you searching place. Next, fetching. This fetching page is this page all fetching area. Parking maintenance fetch, vehicle entry fetch, details, vehicle exit details fetch, feedback, bookings. Then you want to print, you want to PDF to click the buttons. Okay. Next, this is your current timing and dates. Next, log out. Thank you.